Hello students, in today's class we will be discussing about first topic is allotropes of carbon. Allotropes of carbon. What are allotropes? Allotropes are the different physical forms of an element. Allotropes are different physical forms of an element. Fine. Allotropes are different physical forms of an element. In your syllabus, they have given carbon will exist mainly as three. First one is diamond. They are all made up of carbon, diamond. Second one is graphite. Third one is fullerene. Fullerene. Okay. First one is diamond. Second one is graphite. Third one is fullerene. Now, the element carbon occurs in different forms in nature with widely varying physical properties. Try to remember children, allotropes will have same chemical properties, but physical properties are different. Both diamond and graphite are formed by carbon atoms. The difference lies in the manner in which the carbon atoms are bonded to one another. Remember how the carbon is attached. See here in diamond. Take this as a center carbon. How it is arranged in the diamond. This is how you have to write the diamond structure. Like this. Actually, this also you have to make it as a dot. But to make it as a central, I have written as C. Again, from here, draw straight lines. Right, C, C, C. Again, it should be bonded to 4. Already one is bonded. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. It will be joined like this. 3. Fine, 3. You have to put a dots. So like this, you just show the pictorial representation how each carbon is bonded to 4 other atoms. Now coming to the points of diamond. What and all difference between diamond and graphite they will ask children. First one is each carbon atoms is bonded to 4 other carbon atoms. Second one, carbon in the diamond have sp3 hybridization. You just remember what is this hybridization, you will be studying in class 11. What is hybridization is sometimes 1s of carbon and 3p, s, px, py, pz. All these three will combine, will intermix to form sp3 hybridization. Orbitals they will form, you will study in the higher classes. So in the diamond, carbon will have sp3 hybridization. Third one, it is the hardest substance known. Hardest substance known. Fourth one, it has tetrahedral structure. It has tetrahedral structure. And fifth one, they do not conduct electricity. They do not conduct electricity. Clear? These are the points of diamond. Now, how the graphite, in the graphite carbon is attached? It is arranged in the form of hexagonal, layered hexagonal array. See here, like this. Then, like this. Just write the hexagons. One layer. This is one layer. Same thing you write here, children. Again, 1, 2. Okay, this is 3. This is attached to this. Like this only, there will be a force of attraction here. Force of attraction will be there. This force of attraction is weak actually, not very strong. This is weak. So it is, the graphite is smooth and slippery. And observe, each carbon is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. Each carbon is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. All these are carbons only. If you consider this carbon is attached to 3 other, and one of the bond is double bond. Fine. Actually, each carbon has to make 4 bonds because carbon is a tetravalent. But here each carbon is making bonds with 3 other. So, one electron is free. This free electron will conduct electricity. Now we'll speak the points for graphite. Carbon, it is having each carbon is bonding with three other carbon atoms. Next point, it is having sp2 hybridization. What is the hybridization of carbon in graphite? sp2 hybridization. It is smooth and slippery, and it will have trigonal planar structure, and they do conduct electricity because of the presence of the free electrons in it. Single free electron is present that will conduct the electricity. Clear? Now try to understand, children. The allotrope of carbons, they will have a same chemical properties, but they have a different physical properties. Diamond is hard. Diamond is the hardest substance. Graphite is smooth and slippery. One more difference, graphite will conduct electricity, and actually diamond do not conduct electricity. Usually carbon is a non-metal. Non-metals will not conduct electricity, but graphite will conduct electricity. When diamonds are synthesized artificially, when you take pure carbon and when it is subjected to very high pressure and temperature, you are getting artificial diamonds, synthetic diamonds you will get. Actually, they are very small in size, otherwise they are indistinguishable. So these synthetic diamonds are very small, otherwise original diamonds and duplicate artificial diamonds you can't distinguish. Fullerenes form another class of carbon allotropes. Fullerene, they are also known as C60. Actually 60 carbon atoms which is arranged in the form of football. Okay, this is actually similar to the, it looked like a geodesic dome. It is like a dome. Built by the US architect Buckminster Fuller. The molecule was named as fullerene. He was the architect, Buckminster Fuller. He was the architect in US. He was the person to design this geodesic dome. Actually, what is it? This fullerene, no, this C60, it is similar to that. C60 is fullerene, is similar to that of geodesic dome. So only it is called as fullerene. So this is all about the allotropes of carbon. Mainly difference between diamond and graphite is very important.